welcome back. Today we are going to dive in to the different sections within the Workflow Secrets dashboard. So if you're ready, we are going to look at the contact section. Go ahead, pull up your dashboards, follow along, and let's get after it. We are looking at a total of about 14 Workflow Secrets dashboards, and I will tell you, our goal is to continue to add more dashboards as we discover ways that we can better serve you guys. So as you are using these dashboards, if you find that there is something that you would absolutely love to have, we would love to hear it. We'd love to hear your ideas, see how we can make these better. But these fall into the three basic categories that you use as a real estate agent: the contacts, the properties, and the transactions. And with each of these sections, there's several different dashboards that you are going to have access to. So the very first section, the contact section, we have contact analysis dashboards, and what it's going to start showing you is all of the different relationship scores, all of the different ABCD values that you're holding within your customer base. It's going to show you all of your most recent contacts, what their contact information is. Now, all of this different information is directed to you with the goal of giving you a better understanding of all of your contacts and how they're coming to you, where they are sitting within your pipeline, and how we can best serve them. After we do that, we've got some birthday lists for you and your team, or maybe yourself as an individual agent. You are going to be able to look at this and know that in any given month, which customer or lead, however they sit into your database, what birthday do they have, so that you can make sure that you give them that incredible experience, and you're never gonna miss a birthday with this. Now, the other one is the anniversary list. Very similar to the birthday list. It's always very important as a real estate agent to know when your customer's home sale anniversary is. And we have built out a dashboard just for that, so you can at a glance see when their anniversary is, what month, what date. You can make sure that you can send out something well in advance. Maybe they're a really great customer and we do something special for them. We send them a bottle of champagne. This dashboard is going to help you understand and see that at a glance. You're not going to spend hours of your life clicking through your CRM trying to find out which contacts have which anniversary, which birthday, and it's just overall going to speed up the process. Now, the next dashboard that we have is a lifetime value dashboard. What this is going to give you the power of is showing you which of your customers are the most valuable to you. For example, Irma, and I will tell you, all of these names in here are actually just fictitious names. So she's referred to us 2 customers. That's incredible. And overall, her lifetime value, which is a formula, is about $230,000. And so we can do things like clicking on Irma, and we can drill down which contact she's referred us to. Now, we've also noticed that Jana has referred us one, but man, we haven't made any money yet off that connection. So we could be examining who has she referred and where are they? Well, now we know that that person has been referred in the no stage, and they're still just a lead. So we haven't yet sold them, but we are building that connection. Now, the next one that we're going to look at is the lead source. Lead sourcing is an incredible way to understand how your dollars are most impacting your leads, most impacting who's coming into your database, and how they are communicating with you. So right now we have all of the different sources, pulling leads in from, pulling contacts into, converting through to customers. And what I'm noticing right now is that we are doing an incredible amount of sales from Zillow and from our own sphere of influence. And so maybe what we can do from that is we can start putting a little bit more money into our advertising efforts so that we can start putting in $1 and taking out 3. We can also, again, we can click on this Zillow, we can drill down who from Zillow have we brought in, what is their name, what is their email, mobile phone, when did they come in, and we can start to understand and look at that. You can start to gather and understand how these efforts are most effectively bringing in incredible people for us to look at. Now, the next board is actually an agent leaderboard, and you may be a single agent and you're just interested to know what is your overall for any given day. Now, when I was working in sales, it was my goal to every day have 10 incredible conversations with a lead. So that's what I've done right here. On this leaderboard, our goal for the day is going to be to reach 10. Now, if you decide, you know what, Cody, I actually want to talk to 20 people per day, that's totally fine. We have a way for you to adjust these numbers so that you can set your own goals. And again, it's going to show you who did you contact, when did you contact them, who did you send a note to, when did you send that note out, to kind of dial in, okay, well, yesterday I had a really great day, but today I'm not doing so hot, so I need to maybe double my effort. Now, with the same vein of thought for all of you guys who are on teams, we have built out a very special leaderboard. It's going to take this same piece of information and then it's going to show you who on your team is succeeding the most. And guess what? Right now, I am on the top. Oh, right. Now, my business partner, he is actually not doing so hot. He is not on the leaderboard for this one. Again, this is all fictitious data. And what this is going to do, not only for your team's morale, but it's going to encourage your people to really get in there, really drive hard, and really see themselves on top. This leaderboard is going to give you a great opportunity on your team to show how all of this plays in. Like I said, we're gonna be adding dashboards all the time, so you're gonna get to see new dashboards, new features. These are the Workflow Secret dashboards. I am so grateful that you came here, and we are so excited to have you as a subscriber to the Workflow Secret dashboard. So until then, I will see you guys very soon.